at 20 knots, becoming west at 10 to 15 knots in the afternoon. Waves 1 to 2 feet, subsiding to around 1 foot in the afternoon. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Visibility generally unrestricted. Winds and waves may be locally higher in the vicinity of thunderstorms. National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Lamoille County in northwestern Vermont, southern Chittenden County in northwestern Vermont, Washington County in central Vermont, north central Addison County in central Vermont, southwestern Caledonia County in northeastern Vermont until 4:15 p.m. At 3:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over South Hinesburg, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Barrie, Montpelier, Bristol, Hinesburg, Stowe, Richmond, Charlotte, Berlin, East Montpelier, Moncton, Morrisville, Huntington, Starksboro, Middlesex, New Haven, Waitsfield, Warren, Woolgate, Moortown, and Kellis. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.